Hi everyone, myself Kantaraj HD, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve some particular problems on linear transformation, that is, finding a linear transformation using given conditions. Let's see one problem on this one, that is, if t from V2 to V2 is a linear transformation defined by t of 2 comma 1 is equals to 3 comma 4 and t of minus 3 comma 4 is equals to 0 comma 5, then express 0 comma 1 as a linear combination of 2 comma 1 and minus 3 comma 4, and hence find its image of 0 comma 1 under the transformation t. Let's see the solution for this one. So first we need to express 0 comma 1 as a linear combination of 2 comma 1 and minus 3 comma 4. That is, I consider let a1 comma a2 belongs to field f, then 0 comma 1 is equals to a1 into 2 comma 1 plus a2 into minus 3 comma 4, which implies that 0 comma 1 is equals to 2a1 comma a1 plus minus 3a2 comma 4a2, which is equals to 2a1 minus 3a2 comma a1 plus 4a2. Compare the coordinates. We have 2a1 minus 3a2 is equals to 0 and a1 plus 4a2 is equals to 1, which implies that 2a1 is equals to 3a2, implies that a1 is equals to 3 by 2 a2. Substitute this value in second equation, that is 3 by 2 a2 plus 4a2 is equals to 1, that is nothing but 3a2 plus 8a2 is equals to 2, which implies that a2 is equals to 2 divided by 11. So substitute this value in a1 is equal to 3 by 2 into a2. We get a1 value as a 3 divided by 11. Therefore 0 comma 1 is expressed as 3 by 11 into 2 comma 1 plus 2 by 11 into minus 3 comma 4. So this is the linear combination of a 0 comma 1 in terms of 2 comma 1 and minus 3 comma 4. Now take a linear transpose t on both sides. We get t of 0 comma 1 is equals to t of 3 by 11 2 comma 1 less 2 by 11 of minus 3 comma 4. Since t is a linear transformation, this can be written as 3 by 11 into t of 2 comma 1 plus 2 by 11 into t of minus 3 comma 4, which is equals to 3 by 11 into image of 2 comma 1 under t is 3 comma 4 plus 2 by 11 into image of minus 3 comma 4 under t is 0 comma 5, which is equals to, multiply these two, we get 9 by 11 comma 12 by 11 plus 0, comma 10 by 11, which is equals to 9 by 11, comma 22 divided by 11, which is nothing but 1 by 11 times of 9 comma 22. This is the solution for this problem. Let's see the another problem. Find the linear transformation t from v2 of r2 to v2 of r such that t of 1 comma 2 is equals to 3 comma 0 and t of 2 comma 1 is 1 comma 2. Let's see the solution for this one. We know that standard basis of v2 of r is a set 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1. For v2 of r we have the standard basis 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. First we need to express this element 1 comma 2 into a linear combination of standard basis. Therefore I have 1 comma 2 is equals to 1 into 1 comma 0 plus 2 into 0 comma 1. Then take t on both sides. T of 1 comma 2 is equals to 1 into t of 1 comma 0 plus 2 into t of 0 comma 1, because t is a linear transformation. I take this as equation 1. Similarly, second one they given 2 comma 1 is equals to 2 into 1 comma 0 plus 1 into 0 comma 1. That means the element given inside the bracket, we need to express them as a first a linear combination of our basis. Then we need to apply the linear transformation, that is t of 2 comma 1 is equals to 2 into t of 1 comma 0 plus 1 into t of 0 comma 1. This one is equation 2. Now we have to solve for t of 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 using equation 1 and 2. Now solve for t of 1 comma 0 and t of 0 comma 1 from 1 and 2. So in the equation, from the equation 1 into t of 1 comma 0 is t of 1 comma 0 plus 2 into t of 0 comma 1, which is equals to t of 1 comma 2 is nothing but 3 comma 0. Next, second equation I written as 2 into t of 1 comma 0 plus t of 0 comma 1, which is equals to image of 2 comma 1 is 1 comma 2. Now add this or solve for these two equations. We get the solution as t of 0 comma 1 is equals to 5 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3, and t of 1 comma 0 is equals to minus 1 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Next, after finding the image of basis under the mapping T, we need to consider T of x comma y. T of x comma y is nothing but x into T of 1 comma 0 plus y into T of 0 comma 1, which is equals to x into T of 1 comma 0 is minus 1 by 3 comma 4 by 3 plus y into t of 0 comma 1 value is 5 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3, which is equals to minus x by 3 plus 5y by 3 comma 4x by 3 minus 2y by 3. So rewrite this as 5y minus x by 3 first coordinate value, 4x minus 2y by 3 second coordinate value. This is the required linear transformation for the given problem. Let's see the one more problem, that is find the linear transformation T from R3 to R3 such that T of 1 comma 0 comma 0 is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 8. T of 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 is equals to 8 comma 10 comma 8. T of 0 comma 1 comma 1 is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 7. Let's see the solution for this problem. We know that the standard basis of R3 is a set 1 comma 0 comma 0. I take that as E1, 0 comma 1 comma 0, which is E2, 0 comma 0 comma 1, which is equals to E3. So first base is E1, second base is E2, and third base is E3. Next come to the solution. In first what they given, T of 1 comma 0 comma 0 is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 8. Therefore I take 0 comma 0 comma 0, T of 0 comma T of 1 comma 0 comma 0 is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 8, which implies that T of E1 is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 8. Next, directly from the first transformation we get T of E1. Next come to the second transformation, what we have, T of 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 is equals to 8 comma 10 comma 8, which implies that T of 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 is written as 1 into E1 plus minus 1 into E2 plus 0 into E3, a linear combination of our bases R3. The vector, this one, is expressed as a linear combination of E1, E2, E3 as 1 into E1 plus minus 1 into E2 plus 0 into E3, which is equals to 8 comma 10 comma 8. So T of first one E1, next minus E2 plus 0, which is equals to 8 comma 10 comma 8, which implies that T of E1 minus T of E2 is equals to 8 comma 10 comma 8, because T is a linear transformation, which implies that we already know the value of T of E1, that is 4 comma 5 comma 8. So therefore to find E2 I take T of E2 is equals to T of E1 minus 8 comma 10 comma 8, which is equals to T of E1 value 4 comma 5 comma 8 minus 8 comma 10 comma 8. So that gives us a value minus 4 comma minus 5 comma 0. That is the value of T of E2. Similarly, consider second one, means last condition, that is T of 0 comma 1 comma 1, which is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 7. So that one can be written as T of 0 into E1 plus 1 into E2 plus 1 into E3, as a linear combination of our bases, that is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 7. So that is T of E2 plus E3, which is equals to minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. So that is nothing but e power E2 plus T of e power 3 equals minus 3 minus 4 comma minus 7. So already we know the value of T of E2. Therefore, T of E3 is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 7 minus T of E2, that is minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 minus T of E2 value is minus 4 minus 5 comma 0, which is equals to 1 comma 1 comma minus 7. Next we need to find the linear transformation in the variable x, y, z, that is x comma y comma z can be written as x into e1 plus y into e2 plus z into e3, a linear combination of our bases. Then T of x comma y comma z is equals to x into T of e1 plus y into T of e2 plus z into T of e3, which is equals to x into T of e1 value is how much? T of e1 value is 4 comma 5 comma 8 plus y into T of e2 value is how much? Minus 4 comma minus 5 comma 0 plus z into T of e3, that is 1 comma 1 comma minus 7, which is equals to 4x minus 4y plus z, first coordinate value, 5x minus 5y plus z, comma 8x minus 7z is the required linear transformation. This completes the solution. Thank you.